Greetings, greetings, greetings. You know, say, from long before God did make the world, Him promise, say, Him gonna make we can live forever. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, just click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, now the best time if you click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. If you make sure say you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today I'm going to read from Paul's letter to Titus, chapter 1, from verse 1 to verse 4. Titus, this is Paul, one slave for God and one of Jesus, apostle. God sent me for teaching people them how to believe in Him more and for help them understand God's word better. Him want me to teach them the truth so that them will live how Him want them to live. And when they understand God's word, it will give them something to look forward to. Them will look for see and know for sure. Say God will make them live forever. Because long before the world did make, God promised to make we live forever. And God no lie. When the time did right, the God will save we, make we know about that promise here. And He sent me to go tell everybody about it. Titus, through me and you believe in a Jesus. It come like say you are me picnic. Me pray say, Father God, and we Lord Jesus, we show your love, even though we not deserve it. We pray, say them we give peace. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.